ISEE Hair, you did it again. Hey, it's your girl T, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be installing this ISEE Hair half wig. This is the ISEE Hair 24-inch Burmese curly half wig. Okay, this is my hair fully dried. This is it as a flip over. So I have one scoop of hair out, I swear, one scoop of hair out. And of course, I'm gonna show you how it looks right out the pack. Okay, Burmese curly 24-inch. Look at those curls. We got the combs, we got the band, and we have the drawstring. But also you can do so many things with half wig. You can wear it with a headband without doing anything but your edges. You can do the scoop of hair and make it into a flip over. You can put it half up, half down. And I just love curly wigs, especially for the summertime. Like, look at that. Yeah, so nice. So now I'm gonna show you how I did the headband, flip over, and half up, half down style. Let's start with the headband. Okay, so this is it straight out the pack. Literally, I just put on a wig cap, put on the wig, literally straight out the pack, and then put on the headband. That is literally so quick, and look how cute it is. Literally right out the pack, and you can secure it with the drawstring. Okay, let's do the flip over method now. So one scoop of hair is out. Same thing, we're going to secure it with all the claw clips at the front. The claw clip at the back we're also going to secure, and of course the drawstring. So back to the one scoop of hair. Literally, guys, that's really all you need. And I'm just going to brush to blend it in with the half wig. And literally, just like the headband, we are done. I am going to fluff it out a little bit more though. So I'm going to kind of separate the curls just to make it more big, fluffy, and to add some volume. And look at that. Look at the left, look at the right. You see the difference? Yeah. Gorge, 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 gorge. Okay, and for the final act, half up, half down. So this is what we're starting with. And once more, from you have it on that point, it's very easy. You're going to clip in the wig to the top of the half up. Clip in the sides. We're going to drawstring as usual. We're always going to adjust, right? Then you're going to gather some hair from the top of the half wig and connect it to that top ponytail. Once that's done, we are going to secure it with a bungee band or elastic, whatever suits you. And then the two braided pieces is what we're going to use to wrap around the hair. And then we're going to just fluff out the top just to make it fall to the sides. And once more, we are done. Nice, quick, and easy. Half up, half down. Those are just the basics. Like the basics. I've seen girls do the braids, the Fulani braids, and then put it in the back. There's different half up, half down styles you can do. You could even put it in a bun if you really wanted to, right? You have to love the versatility of a half wig. And this wig is so full and fluffy, but it's so light. Like, it's so soft and light, but like, hello? I am just loving it. I also have another ISEE. I have two ISEE Hair half wigs. This one is the softest. This is absolutely the softest wig I've gotten. The smell smells like it was like deep conditioned, which would make sense why it's so soft, but I love it. It is so soft. So soft. Anyways, guys, you need to get this wig. The link will be in the description box down below.